Hannah and Mabel the pup. We live and work from our 50-foot narrowboat, the Corridor. Come and join us as we attempt to navigate the English canals and the world as full-time artists. Here we go. Good morning and welcome back to the vlog. How are we all doing? The sun's out. That's lovely. I am just packing a bag because I am off. I'm leaving this boat just for a few nights to go and see family in South Wales. You can come with me if you like. But first we've got to wrap some stuff up. As in, not literally wrap presents, I've already done that. But wrap some paintings up, and not literally like wrap them up, like I need to finish them. We need to finish some bits and bobs. Okay, let's go. This year marks our 10th Christmas on the boat, and this year also marks the first year of weekly vlogging. So we started a little bit longer ago on YouTube vlogging, but we were a bit scatty about it. We were out trading and we kind of just, it was like here and there and not set in stone. This year has probably been our most productive year since we started kind of doing this rather than a typical job. I don't think I've ever had a typical job, but Ant has. So yeah, it's been really productive. We've been more still, but it's been a lot more productive. You never know what's going to happen the following year or where you might decide to go. And we will be doing some travelling when the spring comes. We've got a survey to do first, which is a big job, which we will kind of talk through when we get a bit closer. But I don't know. We just don't know yet. But right now I need to do some washing because I'm not going to have any clean clothes, and my mum will be distraught if I come covered in mud. Sometimes you do feel like a bit of a swamp monster when you live on a boat because it's so muddy everywhere at the moment. And we've got a dog, so you know. Alright, Anthony, it's freezing, isn't it?
It's really cold today.
So we're going to take, so if you've been watching for a while, we've been lucky enough to have some of our cards and whatnot in Serendipity Art Studio, which is canal side just up here, and it's beautiful.
Yeah, in Braunston.
And I think they've got like a late night shopping thing coming up. So you're going to take some,
just a handful of pictures in frames.
the stuff that we had ready for the Christmas market that we couldn't do.
Yeah, so why not, eh? We'll put them in there.
Yeah.
See if we can shift them.
Brill. It's cold. They didn't say it was going to be this cold.
No, I know.
They keep getting it wrong. It's whoa, that's deep. This is a cool old boat.
I love that boat.
Imagine what you could do to it.
Yeah, if that was all painted up, it'd look fantastic.
It looks like something out of a children's book, doesn't it? Super cool. And then this little mouse, I think she's sunk now. Such a shame.
You may have noticed we haven't got a Mabel pup with us.
Yeah.
No Mabel dog. We're having a break.
Yeah. Well, it'll probably take twice the time, and we're on a bit of a time scale, aren't we?
Yeah, we're rushing around for the Christmas.
Well, really, just rushing around to get everything done so that I can catch my train in the morning. Anthony and I are having a little argument here.
I wouldn't say it's an argument. It's like, I would say difference of opinion.
He's always telling me, you don't get your head in the camera.
Well, look, this right.
You
So
can
this.
see me, can't you? It's
Let me
fine.
take the camera. So this, look, you can see us now. This is a Hannah shot. That's a Hannah shot.
Give it up. Give it up. Locks are back open. They actually did that pretty quick, don't you think?
They did really. Yeah, I think they've done a good job of that.
Yeah, so now everyone can go through. I like the colour of that boat. We tried to paint our boat that colour and it went totally wrong. Since we've had this little base, Mabel has made so many friends and she loves it. She's like the boat dog of the village that just knows everybody.
Was your head in that shot?
Yes!
It wasn't.
But it's fine, you can hear me. You don't need to see my whole head, do you? I've got a big head. Takes a lot of
Imagine if Trevor,
getting in.
Imagine if Trevor McDonald sat at his News at 10 desk with only half his head showing.
Anyway, yeah, one of her friends lives in that lovely house, the Lock House. It's called the Cricket House. Another one of Mabel's absolute favourite people. The legendary Nick Wolf. Right, third stop was picking up some wonga from the Admiral. Some of Ant's prints still in there. And then when they're gone, I think they're gone, aren't they? Because they've got...
So.
If you remember, we went to see Tracy... What's her surname? I'll put it here. I never remember names. We went to see her exhibition. She's got some of her work in the Admiral now, so go check that out if you're around. Right, now we're gonna head back to little Mabel. It is. Mabes, come here, lovey. What day is it? Friday, and I am off to Wales. It's freezing and part of my journey is cancelled, so see how this goes. Right, love. I love ya.
I love ya. Right, have a safe journey.
Thank you. I'll see you soon. my niece Daisy. Hello! She's a beautiful singer. And this is my sister Sarah.
I love the fact that I'm getting to be on your video and I'm like the least glamorous I've ever been in my life. Are you a bit gutted about that?
That's what it's all about. I'm bringing them down to the sea and it's freezing and it's blowing a hoolie. They're really happy about it.
It's a bit windy down here.
Look at it. There's people surfing.
It's not amazing.
Are they actually surfing? Is that safe?
No, it's not very good.
Woo!
Down.
My sister in her natural habitat looking for goods to make things with. That's really thick.
I like it.
Can you eat it? Can you actually? No. Oh, that's a cool one. It's a little bit like a poo.
Might be.
I've painted that little... Hang on. I just climbed up the hill. Oh, it zoomed in. Ooh. I just climbed up the hill. As you can see the life boat over there. And I painted that for my mum. So my sister, if you've been watching for a while, she was part of the band that we used the music for at the very beginning in the first few videos. Her band was called Lost Tuesday Society. And yeah, and then my niece is also really into music and she does lots of beautiful singing, songwriting here in Wales. And now I'm going to come down the hill and fall because they're waiting. There they are waiting for me whilst I run up hills. Super cool in Mumbles is that they have artists come in and paint all of the electric what are they called? Boxes. So they've all got different paintings on. It's lovely. What a lovely day. I'm heading back to the boat. Oh, I think that might be Anthony now. Right, so I am heading back to the boat tomorrow. It's been lovely. I'm going to get up nice and early so I can get back to Anthony. And what was I going to say? Oh, I've just been thinking about this year. I can't believe it's been a year since last Christmas. Do you fancy seeing all of the stuff we've made this year? Cue montage. Here we go.
Well, she's home. We made it back safe.
It's so good to be home.
Yes, but now there's something else you need to know.
What?
I have a secret surprise for you.
What?
In the bedroom. Go and have a look.
I think I know.
Bit dark down here, isn't it?
Oh, you painted. Thank you. I kind of knew you were going to do it because I'd asked. But it looks so much better.
So we've painted all this green. It was like blue before. And look at the wood where we had the big window leak.
You fixed it.
It's all repaired.
How did you do it?
Well, I've put new wood in. You can't see that under there, but...
But we haven't got any tools. How have you done that without tools?
Stanley knife and a screwdriver.
So there was a bit of gunnel, it was just basically popped off. I thought the window was leaking, but I think it was condensation.
Yeah, I think it was.
I can't believe you've done that.
Yeah, it's all done.
So now you know how to do it.
Well, and you don't have to keep reminding me every 6 months.
I would do it if I had tools. I want to learn how to do the woodworky stuff. But we just need tools. So that's why I'm amazed that you've managed to do it. Oh, yes! Thanks, mate.
It's all right.
Well, should we wrap it up then? Because I've got to export this video now.
Yeah, okay then.
I'm tired. We've got to get you in as well. Can't just have my big old face.
Okay, we'll go and sit down.
All right. Right, we're in the dark again.
We're always filming in the dark.
Surely I can adjust it when I'm editing. Yeah. I'll figure it out. Anyway, you can hear us, can't you? That's about it, really. It's been a bit of a rushed, weird one. But if anybody's in the South Wales Swansea Mumbles area, I highly recommend the Gower Gallery. I also highly recommend Joe's Ice Cream. They also do dairy-free and vegan ice cream. Delish.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and I am one happy camper to be home. Happy to have me home?
Yeah, I'm happy to have you home.
You got anything to say?
Well, probably won't be as relaxing, but...
I mean to the camera!
No, I'm exhausted to be honest. I've been decorating all weekend.
I know, thank you for that.
That's
I really
all right.
appreciate that. There'll be more on that soon because we've got some other bits to do and some other new things to put up. But thanks so much for supporting us this year. We really appreciate it. Thank you to the patrons. There's going to be some extra bits and bobs on the Patreon page very soon, so keep your eyes on that. Thank you to everybody that's bought us coffee. And it will be Christmas by the time we have our next vlog, won't it?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, it will be. Yeah, so thank you all so much for joining us. And on the next video, we'll be doing the draw as well.
Oh, yeah. And I hope you all have a lovely holidays, whether you celebrate or not. I hope you're all safe and warm and well. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, push the notification bell, and we'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.